Okay, what I have here today, I have a TI-84 calculator, and it's connected to a calculator-based ranger, also called CBR. And what the CBR does is it simply measures distance. It measures the distance from here to the object closest to in front of it. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to have one of my children come up here, and he's going to stand in front of the motion detector, and when I say go, he's going to walk forward, and he's going to walk in such a way that hopefully we will get a nice straight line. You ready? Mm-hmm. Go. Okay, very good. In order for you to view and use the data, you're going to have to download and install this WABET emulator. If you haven't done that already, see the video that I've created that shows you how to do that. What you're going to need to do next is open a program that I sent you. The program that I sent you is called Line Data. Sometimes when I do that, it doesn't work the first time. It appears as though it did this time. So sometimes I've had to open that more than once to get it to work. So if it doesn't work the first time, try it again. Okay, you're going to go to Program, and you should see a program called Line Data. You're just going to run that program. And what that program does is it takes all the data that was gathered by the calculator ranger and stores it into L1 and L2. And that allows you to go ahead and graph it. Let's turn the graph on. I would recommend using the little dots for this one. Zoom 9. As you can see, the data is pretty linear. And what you're going to be asked to do in this project is find an equation of this line by hand. So you're going to pick two data points, and from those two data points, determine an equation. And then you're also going to be asked to find the equation of the line using the regression capabilities of the calculator. Now, to get 2 points to do the first part of the project, the easiest way is to hit this trace button. And notice it gives you one of the data points. Something you do need to know is that x here is in time, in seconds, so this means at 0.1 second. The person walking was 1.8757 feet away from the detector. So x is time in seconds, y is distance in feet. Now, two data points you want to pick two that are spread out. You don't want to pick two that are real close together, because you could see if I picked these two here and drew the line through them, it's not going to match very well the line of the entire data. So you're going to pick one point here. It doesn't matter which one. You pick one that you like. And then you probably want to pick one point out here on the end somewhere. Okay, so pick any 2 points that you like. Make sure you tell me which two you used. Use those 2 points to find the equation, and then I ask you some other questions. And then, like I say, you're going to use the regression capabilities of the calculator to find the other points. And you can do that just like you do on your regular calculator. Stat linear regression, it's all here, just like you're used to seeing on your calculator that you use by hand. Okay, if you have any questions about this project, please send me an email, and I will do my best to answer them.